Howdy people, welcome back. Today I'm challenging the missus to service our car without making a mess, because apparently I'm too messy.
Did you want me to catch the engine oil through a hole like this? The hole in my bucket.
Well done. Whee!
Very bossy. You don't need to tell me what to do.
Oh yeah, of course. We are going to crack the sump plug underneath, catch all the old oil in a bucket, take the old oil filter off, pre-fill the new oil filter, put that on, then put some fresh oil in it.
Okay.
All without making a mess. You ready?
I can do that.
You've got the bowls behind you to catch it up.
What's that?
Yeah, and another one.
Do you mean I've got to
Take it out.
give me a bucket?
There's no buckets without any holes in them, Baba.
Just give me a bucket. Give me something. I can't just catch it. Do you want me to catch the engine oil through a hole like this?
Yeah.
You no way, I'm magic. No, it's gonna be everywhere on my drive. You find me a bucket, I don't care. I know where's some. I even got two. Just in case.
Okay, okay.
Oh. There's a hole in my bucket.
There's no buckets without any holes in them, Baba.
There's two holes in my bucket.
What was I saying?
No way.
What was I saying?
I need the other bucket to put underneath quick.
Wow. You said you wanted to get involved. Oh wow, we're losing my buckets, are we?
I don't know.
Hey?
Boys, help me now. Come on. Come on, it's going to be heavy in a minute.
It's heavy, is it? Filter needs to come out now. I've just loosened that because it was really, really tight. Are you going to take it off now, Baba?
Yeah. Ready to put it back here underneath, or you will be only funning, isn't it?
Yeah, there's a bucket underneath will catch it. The bucket with a hole in it.
Oh my god, it's going everywhere.
Don't panic, don't panic. It's just what's left in the filter, basically.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my... What do I do now?
You put the filter in the bucket, Baba. Put that oil filter in the bucket.
In there?
In the bucket, Baba, yeah. Well done. Whee!
So what have we got there, love?
The filter?
Our new filter, yep.
C4M 4x4 filter.
Guaranteed for how long? 3 minutes?
About 2 seconds.
Okay, yes, alright.
But I knew one thing, and you just have to tell me, and I need to lube the joint there, the gasket.
Very good.
So I did that.
Well done.
Now to put it back on.
Okay.
You don't need to tell me what to do.
Oh yeah, of course.
Right, where does it go? Is it already? Oh, there, I think. Yeah, where all the oil is.
You sure you don't want to go from the bottom? No, that means no. That means leave me alone.
No, you said that. I want to do it like this.
Yeah, oh, I know.
2,000 years later.
Why does it not engage it?
You got it at the wrong angle, that's why you do it from the bottom, sweetheart.
Okay, I'll do it from the bottom then.
Well done.
You could have told me that.
Oh! But we all know there's no telling you what to do.
Move out the way. Right. Righty tighty.
Lefty loosey.
1 billion, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
I think I'm in. I think I'm in.
You're in? Well done, well done.
Oh, it's so oily that I can't turn.
Here's the rag I gave you.
Oh.
Half an hour job. It's taken about an hour so far.
Oh my goodness.
Right, so our new filter is on. Plug is in the sump.
Yes, so now we need to fill it back up, I guess.
Yep, we're going to put some of that stuff in, Lucas.
Is that going to be enough?
It's not going to fill the whole car, it's just an additive. Just put it in, that's it, like that. We'll leave that for a while.
See? No mess. No, it's not messy.
It's not messy.
On time. There's a few bubbles, that's all.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I'm going to check.
You might want to give it a second just for the oil to get down there.
But you didn't tell me that, didn't you? You've got to inform properly if I can do a good job.
Sorry, that's my bad.
I doesn't want to go back in.
Slowly, gently. Don't snap that, whatever you do.
We're on the minimum.
Clean it off, put it back in. See what we've got then.
I'm very bossy.
Oh yeah, it's always my fault, isn't it? What have we got, Baba?
Hey, Max.
Max?
At the line of the Max.
On the line? Perfect. Put that back in.
That's a woman instinct. That I
It
knew was
certainly
wrong.
is.
I knew it.
And then we'll give her a start. Oil light gone off. Didn't even come on. Well, that's not helpful, is it? Yeah, that's not very helpful. Living the Land Rover life, eh? Bloody hellfire. Right, so oil change, new filter,
Yep.
all done and dusted. How did you find that?
It was alright, but I definitely made a mess tonight.
Yeah. But I think you did well anyway, well done.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm
What
proud
do
of you.
You think? Did well?
Leave us a comment below, let us know what you think.